unbox some packages with me. Some of these things I ordered, some of them are for brand deals or collaborations. I usually don't let things get this out of hand. Like, I've been slacking a little bit this week, so I thought it would be fun to unbox them together. This is one of those scrubber. I bought this on TikTok Shop to try. I'm already kind of having second thoughts because I'm not that good at cleaning anyways. Like, I just don't think I'm gonna use it that much. I might send this back, but I gotta think about it. This is a pillow pet. As a content creator, there's a lot of different ways that I earn income. One thing that I've been doing since March of this year is the TikTok Creative Challenge. They send me products and I make ads or reviews. They're run on TikTok as ads. Like, they don't go on my profile or anything. My kids love to help with these too. They have like due dates, so this is actually due in 3 days. We'll probably shoot this ad later today. It's super cute. I don't know what this is. This is probably something for outdoor Halloween decorations. My husband does that stuff, so I'll just put this to the side. These are for my Halloween mantle. It's like black garland. This is more Halloween decor. These are the little sticky bats. There's 120 of these in here. They're a little bit tinier than I thought, so I don't know if I'll have enough. I might need to get more because I'm gonna try to make them like cascading all the way up, but I'm really excited to try these. These are the candlesticks for my Halloween mantle, which I guess you have to assemble, but we can do that. Another package for the TikTok Creative Challenge, the DIY candle making kit, so that'll be really fun. For my mantle, really cool. Velvet skulls. Spooky. This I started to unbox earlier. This is also the TikTok Creative Challenge. These are some outfits for my daughter for a children's clothing line called T Collection. Like their holiday collection. Cute leggings. Oh my gosh. So sweet. So that'll be a really fun ad to make. Last but not least, you guys saw where I broke my crock pot. There was a Walmart collaboration on TikTok Creative Challenge for like cozy home finds. Send you a spreadsheet to pick what you want to share. And one of the options was a crock pot. So obviously I got it. Also an outfit, cozy fashion finds. So I got this like sweater set, Time and True from Walmart. And it's like a hooded sweater and super soft pants. So I'll be trying that on and doing an ad for that. And there was shoes that I got too to go with it. The No Boundaries shoes. A crock pot. It's the one that's beautiful by Drew Barrymore. I have the big air fryer, which I don't know if they make the big one anymore, actually. I got this in white because I don't know what color I'm going to paint my kitchen cabinets yet, but I'm thinking green. So I wanted to get the purple one, but I got the white one instead. Our other crock pot was a wedding gift, so it was going on like 13 years old. It was probably time. Ooh, it's so pretty. Can't wait to make some cozy crock pot meals for fall in this. Thanks for watching my unboxing. I'll try to link everything if I can find it and follow for more.